Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by equipping the rope dart and assigning it to a convenient weapon slot so you can swap instantly. Once done, approach a single target within about 6 meters. That range maximizes hit probability while the animation connects. Make sure to hold aim while pressing the light attack to launch a tether, because aim controls trajectory and hit registration. You'll feel the rhythm: short cast, quick follow-up. Repeat on stationary targets until your timing becomes consistent and the needle connects reliably. Once comfortable with individual shots, integrate the rope dart into combos to exploit stagger windows. You'll want a cast, follow with a light melee to capitalize on the brief immobilize, then use aim plus heavy attack to reel an enemy toward environmental hazards or ledges. Make sure to time the reel so the enemy collides with terrain or a drop for instant takedowns. When moving through mid-game skirmishes, prioritize isolated targets rather than crowds. The rope dart excels at single target control and repositioning foes. To finish encounters, use the rope dart to stop fleeing or climbing opponents by targeting limbs. The animation often forces a fall or leaves them vulnerable for an instant kill. Once done with a takedown, make sure to loot upgrades that increase dart capacity and damage, because sustained use depends on resupply. If a shot misfires or clips geometry, reposition and try again. Often stepping one pace left or right clears the line of fire. If animations lock, sheathe and re-equip the dart to reset inputs quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.